Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general section we have to scroll in, or actually not, because we have to find the apps. As you can see, they are at the top. So let's simply tap on them and then we have to enter special app access. In this section, let's find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case, to install some content. And of course, you can change it. Just tap on the app. I will pick Chrome and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it works the same with all other apps. However, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.